Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the power cord on your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the old cord from the electrical outlet. Pull the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread all of the top mounting screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Fully unthread the right side mounting screw as well. Loosen the 3 screws on the bottom, and you can lift off the panel. Unthread the screws to release the upper and lower power cord retainers from the frame. Remove the retainers from the cord. Detach the cord bushing from the frame. Next, unthread the screw to release the wiring cover. Disconnect the wire harness. Then cut the zip tie to release the power cord wires. Unthread the upper screw and the 2 lower screws, securing the condenser fan motor mounting bracket to move it out of the way. You can now unthread the screw securing the power cord grounding wire. Detach the retainer from the base, and you can fully remove the grounding wire and the old cord. Install the new power cord by first securing the grounding wire under the retainer. Secure the grounding wire as well as the other grounding wire to the base with the screw. Reposition the mounting bracket and rethread the 3 screws to secure the bracket. Connect the power cord wire harness and use a new zip tie to bundle the wires together. Realign the wiring cover and thread the screw. Align the power cord bushing in the frame. Align the upper and lower retainers on the cord and rethread the screws to secure them to the frame. Reinstall the access panel by aligning it on the bottom screws. Tighten the screws. Fully rethread the remaining mounting screws. Push the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet. Plug the new power cord in, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.